right, guys, so we are back for day 2, still focusing on I Am Malala. Remembering our essential question is, how can challenges of a hostile environment inspire heroism? Our focus question for lessons 14 through 22, how do Malala and her community respond to the hostile environment in Pakistan? We are on lesson 15 for today. And then our content framing question, we are in the organized stage. Just really figuring out what is happening in I Am Malala. So after you read the prologue, you should have some good background information, and now going into chapter 1, really figuring out, like, okay, now that we know that Malala was shot, we're going to start figuring out the why. Not really getting into the how just yet, but really looking at Malala's childhood, her personality, and what life was like in Pakistan before the Taliban's presence. So today you're going to be reading chapter 1, completing a notice and wonder, and then ending it answering some text-dependent questions to ensure that you understood what you read in the chapter. All right, guys, thanks so much for your hard work on day 1, and let's get into day 2.